Hi guys, today in my kitchen I've made delicious and scrumptious no-bake strawberry cheesecake. I will show you how to make easy and yummy strawberry sauce to spread between the cake. The top layer is made up of strawberry jelly. Like I said, this cheesecake is loaded with strawberry flavor. Let's start. You need 200 gram of Marie biscuit or digestive or Parle G, any biscuit is fine. And I have taken 100 gram of butter, that is 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of butter. Break them into a mixie jar and make a fine crumbs. Melt the butter in a microwave for 30 seconds. Pour the melted butter on a fine crumbs and mix well. This is the cookie base for the cheesecake. I have taken 6-inch cake pan and apply butter with a tissue paper. This will help to demold the cake easily, or use the parchment or butter paper. Press them into a bottom of a pan with the spatula or a spoon. Place in the refrigerator to chill for 30 minutes. Here I have taken 120 gram of sugar, approximately 3/4 cup of sugar, and made a fine powder. Cream cheese I have taken 400 gram, that is 2 cup of cream cheese. With the cream cheese, add the powdered sugar. Use the electric beater or a hand whisk to combine the sugar and cream cheese. Ensure there is no lumps and you will get this soft texture. Next step, you need 4 teaspoons of gelatin and add 7 to 8 teaspoons of normal water and patiently wait for 5 minutes for the gelatin to bloom. You can check gelatin has bloomed, has absorbed all the water. Now microwave it for 20 to 30 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of cream cheese mixture into the gelatin and mix it well. Pour this into a cream cheese mixture and mix it well. The next step, you need 200 ml of whipping cream. Chilled whipping cream directly from the refrigerator. 200 ml is approximately 1 cup of whipping cream. Use the electric beater in a high setting till you get the soft peaks, that is 60% whipped. Add this into a cream cheese mixture and fold it and mix it well. Now I will show you how to make the strawberry sauce for the cheesecake. Here I have taken 200 gram of strawberry, approximately 1.5 cup of strawberry, and add 3 tablespoons of sugar and cook it in a medium to low flame till you get this consistency. Super tasty, easy strawberry sauce is ready. Take the cake pan from the refrigerator. Now the cream cheese mixture and the strawberry sauce, everything is ready. Now let's start assembling. Equally divide the cream cheese mixture and spread it with a spoon or a spatula. Layer it with the strawberry sauce. And add the remaining cream cheese mixture and level it. Cover it with a cling wrap and keep it in a refrigerator for 30 minutes. To make a strawberry jelly, you need 1 cup, that is 150 gram of strawberries, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Blend it. Here I have taken 4 tablespoons of normal water. In that I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of gelatin. Wait for 5 minutes for the gelatin to bloom. Now microwave it for 20 to 30 seconds. Now add the strawberry puree. Mix it well. After 30 minutes, remove the cream cheese mixture from the refrigerator. Now pour this strawberry jelly mixture on the cheesecake. Again, cover it with a cling wrap and keep it in a refrigerator. Keep it in a refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. For vegetarians, if you don't want to use the gelatin, you can use the agar-agar powder. Carefully demold the cheesecake from the pan. Delicious and yummylicious strawberry cheesecake is ready. Hope you like the recipe. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and comment. And thanks for watching.